Hello and welcome to Fireside History. Last time we dealt with Gashuliwia's death, and now it comes time for the trial and deposition of the Tawananna. Now, Mershali's announcement is, in his words, "I did not execute her, but I deposed her from the office of Shiowanzi priestess. And because it was determined by Oracle that she should be removed from office, I removed her from office, and I gave her a place of residence. Nothing is lacking to her desire. She has food and drink. Everything stands at her disposal. Nothing is lacking to her. She is alive. She beholds the sun of heaven with her eyes, and she eats bread as one of life. Mine is only this one punishment. I punished her with this one thing. That I sent her down from the palace. I deposed her from the gods in the office of Shiowanzi priestess. Mine is only this one punishment." So, for apparently having contrived the death of Gashuliwia, Malnikal was banished, was deposed, and that was it. Apparently, Mershali was pressured into killing her, possibly by the same oracles that he had consulted with, but he refused. And he demonstrated his mercy with the very likely murderer of the love of his life by just sending her away and putting her in comfortable house arrest outside the capital. "When the case against Tawananna, your servant, took place in the palace, when my father curtailed the power of Tawananna." Now, this is actually the words, sorry, I forgot to say this before, the words of Hatushili, the son of Mershali. "The queen, though she were a servant of the deity, you, O goddess, my lady, were the only one who knew in your soul if the curtailing of the queen's power was in accordance with your will, or if it was not. As for me, I was in no way involved in this affair." That's Hatushili III and Tanu Hepa to the sun goddess of Arena. As you can guess, he was a bit of a worm. He was not the son that is... He was not a worthy son of his father. He was a very weak ruler, as we'll see later. But sometime after Gashuliwia's death, Mershali remarried, this time to a woman possibly of Hurrian descent called Tanu Hepa. We don't know much about this woman, only that she clashed with her stepsons, much like, ironically, Mershali had with his own stepmom. So it's a bit ironic. He kind of married his stepmother. But now that's it. And we'll be dealing next time with yet another rebellion in the West, in the lands of Arzawa. Does it ever end, eh? Sorry, I couldn't resist that joke. Anyways, we're done with the wife business. Now it's time for the rebellions again. The never-ending rebellions, it seems. So, comment, share the video, please. I'd be very much in your debt if you were to do that. And subscribe if you haven't already. We're trying to get to 1,000. Once we do, we'll publish a dark fantasy horror novel's first chapter for you guys. So until next time, take care.